Hey there, lovely listeners. Welcome to the Powerful Theater Techniques podcast. I'm your host, Aneli Alexa, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. In this episode, we're diving into the captivating world of voice training through storytelling. We'll explore how storytelling can be a powerful tool for honing your vocal skills and creating a lasting impact on your audience. So grab a comfy seat and get ready to unlock the secrets of voice training through storytelling. Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced world, where we are bombarded with information from every direction, the power of vocal expression cannot be overstated. Your voice is a powerful tool that can convey emotion, capture attention, and inspire action. Whether you're giving a presentation, recording a podcast, or engaging in everyday conversation, the way you use your voice can make a significant impact on how your message is received. The importance of vocal expression lies in its ability to connect with your audience on a deeper level. A well-modulated voice can convey confidence, sincerity, and authority, instantly capturing attention and holding it throughout your storytelling journey. Furthermore, vocal expression adds depth and color to your words, bringing your stories to life and making them more engaging and memorable. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it that leaves a lasting impression. Moreover, mastering vocal expression can help you convey the right emotions at the right time, allowing you to create dramatic tension, evoke empathy, or generate excitement as you guide your listeners through the intricacies of your stories. So, as you embark on your journey of voice training through storytelling, remember that vocal expression is a fundamental pillar that can elevate your storytelling prowess, captivate your audience, and leave a lasting impact on those who listen to your words. Embrace the power of your voice to truly bring your stories to life. Connecting authenticity to voice control is crucial in creating a compelling and engaging storytelling experience. When you embrace your authentic self, your voice naturally reflects that genuineness, making it easier for your audience to connect with your message on a deeper level. Authenticity and voice control go hand in hand. By staying true to your unique style and personality, you can harness the power of your voice to convey emotions, captivate your audience, and bring your story to life. When your voice is genuine, it builds trust and credibility, making your storytelling more impactful and memorable. To achieve greater voice control, practice mindfulness and self-awareness. Pay attention to your breath, posture, and emotions as you speak. Engage in exercises that help you become more attuned to the nuances of your voice, allowing you to modulate it effectively to convey different moods and tones. Remember, authenticity is about being yourself. And when you infuse that into your voice, your storytelling becomes an authentic and compelling experience that resonates with your audience. Embrace your uniqueness and let your voice shine as you share your story with the world. Now that we understand the importance of vocal training through storytelling, let's move on to some practical exercises that will help you improve and strengthen your voice. The first exercise to try is the breath control exercise. Find a comfortable place to sit or stand and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then slowly exhale through your mouth, focusing on controlling the release of air. Repeat this exercise several times, making sure to maintain a steady flow of air as you exhale. Next, let's work on intonation and pitch by practicing vocal scales. Start by humming a comfortable note, then gradually move up and down the scale, paying attention to the way your voice changes in pitch and tone. This exercise can help you develop a more varied and expressive vocal range. Another important aspect of vocal training is articulation and clarity. One exercise to improve this is to practice articulating different consonant sounds, such as T, S, or M, while exaggerating the movements of your mouth and tongue. This will help you enunciate words more clearly and effectively. Lastly, let's focus on projection and volume. Stand in front of a mirror and practice speaking with a strong, resonant voice, making sure to project your voice to the back of the room. This exercise will help you develop the power and projection needed for public speaking or storytelling. By incorporating these practical exercises into your vocal training routine, you can effectively improve your voice and become a more compelling storyteller. Keep practicing and refining these techniques, and you'll see significant improvements in your vocal performance. Now, let's delve into some storytelling techniques that can truly enhance your voice. One powerful technique is to use descriptive language to paint a vivid picture with your words. By incorporating sensory details and emotive language, you can transport your listeners into the heart of your story, captivating their attention and engaging their imagination. Additionally, pacing and rhythm play a crucial role in storytelling. Varying the speed and cadence of your speech can create a dynamic and engaging narrative that holds the listener's interest. Emphasize important points by slowing down, and then pick up the pace to build excitement and momentum. This ebb and flow adds depth and dimension to your storytelling, making it an immersive experience for your audience. Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of vocal inflection. By modulating your tone, pitch, and volume, you can effectively convey the emotions and nuances of your story. Whether it's conveying excitement, suspense, or empathy, your vocal expressiveness can bring your narrative to life, forging a strong connection with your audience. Lastly, incorporating pauses strategically can create dramatic tension and allow your audience to absorb key moments. A well-timed pause can build anticipation, emphasize a point, or create a sense of intrigue, drawing your listeners in and keeping them hanging on to your every word. As educators, helping students explore the power of vocal expression can be a great way to boost their communication skills and confidence. Here's a simple exercise you can guide your students through. Choose a short story or anecdote and practice telling it with different emotions and intonations. 1. Start by choosing a short story. It could be a personal anecdote, a well-known tale, or even a scene from a book. The key is to select something simple that students can easily retell in their own words. 2. Introduce vocal variety. Have your students experiment with telling the story using different emotions. For instance, they can tell the same story with excitement, sadness, anger, or even confusion. Encourage them to notice how their voice changes with each emotion, whether it's the pitch, pace, or volume. 3. Play with pacing and volume. Ask them to try telling the story slowly and softly to create a sense of suspense, or quickly and loudly to convey urgency. The goal is for them to understand how vocal delivery affects the audience's perception of the story. 4. Focus on emphasis. Have students practice emphasizing different words or phrases in the story to see how it changes the meaning or emotional impact. For example, they can stress a character's name, an action, or a key detail in the story. 5. Reflect and share. Once they've practiced, encourage them to share their versions with the class. The class can then discuss which vocal variations were most effective in bringing the story to life. This exercise is a great way for students to gain a deeper understanding of how voice can shape the way a story is received. It encourages creativity and allows them to practice using their voice as a powerful tool for expression. By mastering these storytelling techniques, you can elevate your voice training and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Remember, the art of storytelling lies not only in the content of your narrative, but also in the way you deliver it. So experiment with these techniques and let your storytelling prowess shine through in your voice training journey. Let me share some real-life examples and success stories of how storytelling voice training has made a difference for individuals just like you. Imagine unlocking the power of your voice through storytelling. Picture yourself captivating your audience with every word and leaving a lasting impression through the tone, cadence, and emotion in your voice. One success story comes from Sarah, a shy and reserved individual who struggled to connect with her audience when speaking in public. After implementing storytelling voice training techniques, she found a newfound confidence in her ability to engage and persuade her listeners. The impact was undeniable. She received standing ovations and rave reviews for her presentations. Then there's Tom, a sales professional looking to enhance his pitch delivery. By incorporating storytelling elements into his presentations, Tom was able to create a more compelling narrative that resonated with his clients. This resulted in record-breaking sales numbers and strengthened client relationships. These are just a few examples of how storytelling voice training has transformed the way individuals communicate and connect with others. With the right techniques and practice, you too can achieve similar success in various aspects of your personal and professional life. So, as you embark on your journey of voice training through storytelling, remember that these success stories are proof that it's possible to unleash the full potential of your voice. Stay tuned for the next segment where we delve into practical tips for integrating storytelling into your voice training routine. Now, let's dive into some practical tips for educators to encourage their students' vocal freedom. First and foremost, creating a safe and supportive environment is key. When students feel comfortable and accepted, they are more likely to express themselves freely and confidently. Encourage participation in class discussions, group activities, and individual presentations to help students build their vocal skills and confidence. Another effective strategy is to incorporate storytelling into the curriculum. By engaging students in the art of storytelling, you can help them develop their vocal range, expression, and delivery. Encourage them to explore different characters and emotions through storytelling, which can significantly enhance their vocal abilities. Furthermore, providing regular feedback and encouragement is essential in nurturing students' vocal freedom. Recognize and celebrate their progress, no matter how small, to boost their confidence and motivation. Offering constructive feedback in a supportive manner can help students identify areas for improvement and inspire them to strive for vocal excellence. Lastly, leading by example is powerful. Share your own stories and experiences with vocal expression to inspire and motivate your students. Demonstrating authenticity and vulnerability can create a strong connection with your students and encourage them to embrace their own unique voices. By implementing these tips and techniques, educators can play a vital role in nurturing students' vocal freedom and fostering a positive learning environment. Great to have you all back with us. I have the pleasure of being joined by two incredible educators who have been using storytelling in their voice training. Let's dive right in with some questions for our experienced educators. First off, how have you seen storytelling enhance the voice training process in your classrooms? Secondly, for those who may be new to incorporating storytelling in voice training, do you have any tips or advice for getting started? And finally, can you share a memorable success story where storytelling had a significant impact on a student's voice training journey? I'm sure our listeners are eager to hear your insights and experiences in using storytelling for voice training. Thank you both for taking the time to join us today. So, as we wrap up our discussion on using storytelling for voice training, let's recap some key takeaways. First, remember the power of storytelling in connecting with your audience and conveying emotion through your voice. By incorporating narrative elements in your vocal exercises, you can enhance your delivery and captivate your listeners. Next, don't be afraid to experiment with different characters and scenarios when practicing your voice modulation. This can help you develop a wider range and flexibility in your voice, allowing you to adapt to various storytelling styles and genres. Furthermore, keep in mind the importance of authenticity in storytelling. Your genuine emotions and expressions will resonate with your audience, so always strive to convey sincerity and connect on a personal level. Lastly, practice, practice, practice. Consistent training and honing your storytelling skills will ultimately lead to mastery and confidence in your vocal performance. I hope these insights inspire you to infuse storytelling into your voice training journey. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll delve into more techniques for enhancing your storytelling abilities. In today's episode, we covered the power of storytelling in voice training. If you're eager to delve deeper into this topic, here are some additional resources and further reading materials to enhance your understanding. 1. The Storyteller's Secret, From TED Speakers to Business Legends, Why Some Ideas Catch On and Others Don't, by Carmine Gallo. 2. Talk Like TED, The 9 Public Speaking Secrets of the World's Top Minds, by Carmine Gallo. 3. Voice Lessons, How a Couple of Ninja Turtles, Pinky, and an Animaniac Saved My Life, by Rob Paulson. These resources are fantastic starting points for anyone interested in honing their storytelling and voice training skills. Before we wrap up, we want to express our genuine gratitude for tuning in today. We hope you gained valuable insights that can help you excel in your storytelling and voice training journey. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance. Thank you for listening, and we can't wait to have you back for our next episode. Happy storytelling!